How to fix 5000 ping in Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The number one step you should do is check your internet connection. If you are connected to a poor internet connection, consider it switching to a better and stable one. Next step, go to Play Store and then search for Discord. Then if there is an instead button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and update to its latest version. Next step is clearing the cache of Discord. To do so, tap and hold Discord application, then tap on app info, then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache. If the problem still prevails, consider uninstalling the application and reinstalling it back, and that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.